So hi guys, I'm very happy to announce my face-to-face physical classes at Chennai with respect to coming May 2022 examination CA final advanced auditing. After I made this announcement earlier through flyers, many requested me to conduct face-to-face classes at Guntur as well as Hyderabad, even at Bangalore. But for November attempt, I'm definitely going to take at Guntur, Bangalore, as well as at Hyderabad, physical classes. At least revision I'll take. Um then what are the topics that I'm going to cover? What is the duration of the class and where the venue is? By the way, the physical class is going to be at Chennai. So the address is at Mylapore. Address is at Mylapore. And the topics which I'm going to cover over a period of 3 days, minimum 60 weightage marks, whatever minimum 60 weightage, 60 marks weightage that occupy the chapters that collectively occupy minimum, it's not maximum, minimum, like company audit, audit report, ethics, governance, peer review, insurance audit, bank audit, NBFC audit, and even certain important standards depending upon the time availability within that 3 days I'll try to cover. And the class timings will be 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. I'll give adequate breaks and lunch break. Don't worry about that. And 3 days, it's a revision class completely. Who all can enroll for this? Who and all can enroll for this? And by the way, where to enroll? You have a registration. For registrations, directly contact this number. This is not my number. This is the number of the institute where I'm going to conduct the classes. Sri Shankara coaching classes, coaching center for CA. So they are also well, they established the institute around long ago, long back. So we just collaborated for conducting this face-to-face revision classes, and maybe upcoming also we have not yet discussed. Maybe after we complete this particular revision class, we'll be discussing about our upcoming collaborations, all that. So these are the topics which I'm going to cover at a glance. And by the way, who can come? If at all you have taken my regular coaching or smart class coaching, maybe you need not worry about this revision because you would have already got the clarity, so much of clarity by listening to my regular and smart course. You definitely can happily follow my marathon class. Who can register for this? Those who have not taken coaching from me, especially those kinds of students. Uh, to best of my knowledge, if at all you do not have overall connection over the subject, you do not have much command over the concepts of auditing, then you are most welcome. For you, I'm telling you, these 3 days going to be a life changer for you. It's not, I don't, I mean, why I call it as life changer is because your perception on audit will definitely change. If at all this perception do not change now, you'll have lifetime the same perception. Believe me, if you attend these 3 days, revision classes, your perception on audit completely changes. You no more call it as a theory subject at all. And even those of my students who are staying in and around Chennai, in and around at Chennai, if at all you want to attend for this physical class, you're also welcome. Whoever of my students want to attend, you can directly reach me on 9700273087 for admission. Like whoever is my student special who already registered for regular and smart course, so you can directly reach me here. For my existing students, I'm giving a little concession with respect to the price. By the way, the price we are charging is 1200. And one more thing, important thing, what resources that we provide. First of all, I'll be taking the entire sessions. Then what material I'm going to use for this? I'm going to use my main material of audit, and I'm also going to use smart notes for certain chapters. Sir, where can we download this? Are you giving hard copy? No, I'm not giving hard copy. You have to download these soft copies. Where you can download these soft copies? We have an application in Google Play Store, that is Srestha for CA and CMA. Srestha for CA and CMA. You'll find an application. I'll show you the logo also. You can easily recognize. Open Google Play Store, Srestha for CA and CMA. Oh, download this application, login. Inside that left corner there is a main menu symbol. Click on that, you'll find study material option. Click on that, you'll find CA final. Inside that my main material can be downloaded, as well as smart notes for few chapters is already uploaded. You can just download it and then keep with yourself. Okay, so that's about the material and the chapters, and what are all I'm going to cover for my upcoming face-to-face classes at Chennai. And I hope awaiting to meet all of you. It's been almost 1.5 years, close to that, I have handled physical class. So even I'm very excited for taking up this physical class. In fact, I of course physical classes no matter. So I definitely support it a lot. But my main stream of you know a mode of medium right now is online. Of course, for us the major business is coming from online. But that doesn't mean we are against physical classes. Of course, physical classes are always the best. But of course, online classes have so many advantages. One advantage is convenience and price, and physical classes, one advantage is liveliness. That's it. So while it, dial this number and get your registrations. And I hope you got full clarity. Maybe if at all you're having any other queries, if at all you're having any queries, you can reach me. Whoever is my student can register with me directly. If at all you're an other student, if you have still any queries, you can reach me on Telegram to this number for any doubts and clarifications. I'll be replying in my free time. For registrations, please call this number. So entire administration process for this class is being handled by the management of Sri Sankara Coaching Institute, a well-known institute at Mylapore, Chennai. That's it. Have a nice time. All the best. Bye-bye.